everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you a beginner learning English and looking for a fun way to improve your vocabulary? If yes, this video is for you. There are 5 movies that can help your English while enjoying a great story. English is not just studying grammar and memorizing words. We can also learn English through movies. Watching movies, we can improve our listening skills and new vocabulary and help us to see the real conversation, how the native speakers speak. This movie I recommend is Inside Out. This movie is great for beginners. You can learn new vocabulary about feelings and emotions such as sad, happy, angry, scared, and joyful. The character use simple English, which makes it easier to understand and easy to apply to yourself. Second movie is Frozen. Yes, you can learn words and phrases about family, friendship, and feeling. Frozen is a good movie for learning everyday English expression. The third movie is Toy Story. Toy Story is a great choice for beginners because the conversations are simple and easy to follow. You can learn everyday vocabulary and expression about friendship and teamwork in different situations in life. Fourth movie is Harry Potter. This movie is a good choice for learners who want to improve their English British. You can learn new words, pronunciation, and the different expression from the characters. The fifth movie is Barbie. You can learn vocabulary about daily life, relationship, and society. Barbie can help you learn modern English expressions. Use English subtitles. It helps you to connect with the sound words. Tips when you watch movies to learn English. Second, write down the new vocabulary and try to create it to your own sentence. Third, repeat the sentence from the movie. This can improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence. Remember, learning English, it takes time. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Keep practicing and enjoy the learning process. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment which one movie you like for learning English. See you in the next video. Bye bye.